The one thing you absolutely cannot do under any circumstances in this business is waste time. That's why I wanted to create a training conference that from the moment you arrived, you were dialed in. It's not about motivation or rah-rah speeches that get you pumped up and in the moment. It's about acquiring action items that you can immediately implement to grow your practice as soon as you leave. And that's exactly what we've created.
This training experience is so much better because of the time I spend with other producers, trying to figure out what they're doing, listening to their stories, how things work for them. It's really been very, very helpful.
I highly recommend it. Gotten a lot of value, not just in the course, but talking to other advisors and other markets with other clientele.
You know, when I saw the training, you're always going, well, I'm busy, can I do it or not? And I was thinking about not doing it. I am so glad that I actually took the time to come out here and go through the training. The information that I'm taking back is phenomenal. How it will change my practice over the next year, I promise you, will be drastic.
With the ever-changing landscape of the financial services industry, I think it's critically important that we continue increasing our education levels, and I think having the fortitude to be proactive with these changes in the industry is critical to making sure you can set yourself apart from other advisors and other competition. Today's training was exceptional. It was very well prepared and delivered, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who's in the financial service industry and would like to stay there.
It's awesome. First and foremost, it's very, very informative. Taking your business to the next level, you absolutely have to be.
So if you're looking for tools, tips, and the formula to grow your practice exponentially, then you need to attend the 2019 Financial Educators Growth Conference.
You're going to need to do this, not just for you, but for your clients and your practice. It's the right thing to do.